Hey you guys, I am in my home office right now and I'm about to turn this entire wall behind me into a fully functioning YouTube studio without using any floor space whatsoever. So if you are a new YouTuber and you want to start a YouTube channel but you just don't have the space to do it, you can do it. If you live in an apartment, you can have a fully functioning professional studio. If you're just renting a room from someone, you can build a fully functioning YouTube studio. All you need is a wall. So if you have a wall, you can build a fully functioning YouTube studio with your backdrops and your professional lighting. You can do it. And I'm going to show you how in this video. So if you are a new YouTuber and it's something that you're interested in, stay tuned for this video. Bye. So the first thing I need to do is do the measurements for the curtain rod because my backdrop will be held up by that curtain rod. So I want the curtain rod to be the same exact length as my backdrop. I want to add that it's very important to use like the cheap flimsy curtain rods from Walmart. And the reason why you need to use the cheap ones is because the cheap curtain rods come with the short brackets. Because if you buy a high quality curtain rod, it's going to come with the longer brackets. And if you're using the longer brackets, that means your backdrop is going to be further away from the wall. And you don't want that. You want it to be as flush to the wall as possible. So if you use the flimsy ones, the brackets are short. So you will be as close to the wall as possible. So remember that. When hanging up your curtain rod, you may be tempted to just use the two brackets for each end, but you need to put one in the center because if you don't put a bracket in the center, your backdrop is going to have a dip in the middle and you don't want that. You want, because the rod is so flimsy, so it bends a little bit, so you have to put that bracket in the middle to prevent your backdrop from bending. So I got a high quality banner or backdrop, whatever you want to call it. I custom made my own logo for my YouTube studio. And you can design your own logo and they can put it on a banner. And it's really high quality. It's a vinyl and it has reinforcement holes with the metal pieces on it. So it won't rip or tear you. And I found these DIY crystal nails on Amazon. So a lot of people use these for DIYs for furniture like chairs or bedroom sets. But I thought this was a really cool idea to use these as nails for my reinforcement holes that are on my banner. So now we're about to install the Studio Softbox lighting kits. So this Softbox lighting kit, 3 comes in a box and it comes with 3 big tripods. But since this is a DIY YouTube studio using no space whatsoever, I'm not going to use the 3 big old tripods for my YouTube studio. I don't want anything on my floors. So I had to purchase photo studio wall and ceiling mounts. That's what I used to install my soft boxes because I did not want to use those big old tripods taking up so much space on my floor. Also, with the soft boxes, it came with lights, but these lights produce so much heat. I decided to buy some LED lights to replace the softbox lights. Now I'm about to install the ceiling mounting kit. Now this mounting kit is really for monitors, but I am creative, so I figured out a way to use it in a different way. Now I'm going to attach my articulating arm to this ceiling bracket. It's called a 3-sectional double articulated arm with camera bracket. So it's pretty much a 360-degree articulating arm. And like I said, these don't go together. This mounting kit do not go with this articulating arm. I just got creative and it worked pretty damn well. So now I found this little DIY hack on Google to remove wrinkles from vinyl. So you pretty much take a steamer and a white cloth and you pretty much lay the cloth over the steamer and it will pretty much steam out all of your wrinkles from your backdrop. However, I am lazy. I ain't got that kind of time right now, so I'm going to get as much as I can and deal with this later because it takes a long while to get all of the wrinkles out, but it does 100% work. Here's a closer look at the soft lights installed. As you can see, it's really clean. It's not a lot of screws, a lot of holes in your wall. Even though the bracket holds 4 screws, if you notice, I only have 2 screws in there because the soft boxes are pretty light, so you don't really have to use all 4 screws. And I really didn't want to put a lot of holes in my walls, so I just used 2 of the screws. But here's a close up, and you can see the crystal nails that I used. It turned out pretty well. I'm very creative. I thought of this all on my own. So here's an example of the different accessories you can put on this articulating arm. So right now I have a ring light on here. Now this ring light came with a tripod. So once again, I didn't want to use any floor space. So now I'm going to show you an example where you can put a camera on your articulating mount. Don't be trying to drag me in the comment section saying, why do I have a $19.99 camera on this articulating mount? I'm just giving you examples of what you can put on this articulating arm. I actually do not use this camera. I just had it handy just to give you an example of what you can put on here. So if you have a good quality camera, you can absolutely put it on here. And at the top, if you twist it, you can rotate it 360 degrees, which means you can go full circle. You can bend it like an arm. You can flip it so many different ways. It can turn any angle you want it to turn. This is so perfect. This is not just for beginner YouTubers. This is for advanced YouTubers, especially for advanced YouTubers. Like, this is a game changer. So here's another option. This is how I actually use it. I actually use my camera to record my videos. So I actually use an iPhone 10, but obviously I'm recording this video with my actual phone right now. So I couldn't put my phone on the articulating arm, but I wanted to give you an example of what it looks like. So I put an iPhone 5 on here. And once again, you can add accessories to this. Look at this. Now I'm adding my mic to this. Now this is not the best mic on the market. It works well, but they have way better mini little mics. So you can do your own research and find a better mic. It works well. So I'm not gonna say this mic doesn't work well, but they absolutely have better mics on the market. Here's a full look at my whole office. I have a really big office. But even though I have a big office, I still didn't want anything on my floors. I do not want a big, bulky YouTube studio. I wanted my floors to be completely clear of studio equipment. Look at this. This looks amazing. It looks so professional. And this is just a DIY project. Very easy to do. It was really inexpensive. So you guys can do this. Look at that. It looks so professional. Look at the mic and the phone hanging from the articulating mount. This is so freaking cool. And it's so effective. This is all you need. Then I'm actually missing one more light, the overhead light. I don't know what happened to my other mounting kit, so I have to buy another one from Amazon. I'm waiting for it to come in because I'm going to have one more light like directly over my head. But this is pretty much it. I didn't use not 1 inch of floor space, nothing, no floor space whatsoever. And I have a fully functioning, awesome, cool looking YouTube studio. So if you're interested in doing the same thing, I'm going to link all of the items I purchased from Amazon in the link below. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see in the video, you need absolutely no floor space to build a YouTube studio. So for all you up and coming YouTubers who want to build a YouTube studio, but you feel like you don't have the space for it, now you have the blueprint to build your YouTube studio. You can build a YouTube studio in a bedroom. You can do it in an apartment complex if you're renting a room from somebody. It really doesn't matter. All you need is a wall. If you have a wall, you can build a YouTube studio. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, the moment we all been waiting for, the giveaway. The last time I checked my YouTube subscribers, I believe I had 996 subscribers. So by the time I upload this video, I should have 1,000 subscribers. So the last step for the giveaway, I need you guys to DM me on Instagram. DM me your name, your YouTube name, and the city and or country that you live in. So I need you to DM me on Instagram your name, your YouTube name, as well as the state and or country that you live in. So if you don't know, my Instagram is all.ways.lit. So make sure you guys DM me that information. Do not post it directly on my page because I don't want people to have you guys you guys' personal information. So make sure you DM me that information. Once I have all that information, we can start the process of doing the giveaway. As you guys already know, the first place winner will win the MacBook Pro. The second place winner will win the iPhone 6. And the third place winner will win the iPhone 5. I also want to add, I already know I'm going to lose a lot of subscribers after this giveaway is over because some people only subscribe to enter to win in the giveaway. But I do want you to know that I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways with some high quality stuff. But I'm not going to announce them as giveaways because I want my true subscribers, my loyal subscribers to win. I don't want the giveaway vultures to hijack the giveaways and just, constantly create fake accounts to try to win. I want loyal subscribers to win. So once this giveaway is over, I'm going to be doing giveaways often with good stuff that you guys want to have. But like I said, I'm not going to announce them as giveaways. I'm going to be giving them to random subscribers. I might read your comment and say, oh wow, I like that comment. They really watched the video and they really left a thoughtful comment. So I'm going to give them a prize. That's how I'm going to do my giveaways in the future. I'm not going to announce them as giveaways. I'm just going to give them to random subscribers. So if you are a loyal subscriber, make sure you stay subscribed so you won't miss out on those opportunities. 2021, I'm going to be giving away so much stuff, you guys. So make sure you stay tuned, stay loyal, continue to follow me on Instagram and YouTube, and you'll be a part of those drawings that I do in the future. See you later, guys. Bye.